So this is the stripping tool for the ISO NV50 cable. It's got a ISO NV70. It's got an adjustment on it to the amount of insulation that you want off the cable. So we'll set it at 30, and then we will just start to twist it. And as you can see, pretty easy process. And as soon as it gets to 30 mil, it'll just rotate and connection done. This is the upper termination, so it simply slides in there, and then we start to screw it onto the cable until it's over finger tight, and then we'll just get a spanner, tighten up the last bit. And then you simply get an Allen key that's supplied with the kit, and we tighten down onto the bare cable. So that's the job completed, and the air terminal screws into the top with another grub screw in the top. The threaded air terminal goes through the black collar, and then the internal aluminium collar goes through that. That simply screws into the top. Of course, you'd have a mask underneath this, and then we do the grub screw down onto the threaded rod, and then finally we would have the upper locking nut that will screw down onto the upper cap, and that's the completed termination. The final part of the termination is a piece of black heat shrink, which is placed 15 mil from the end of the termination, so that your final grub screw for your air terminal is exposed, and then simply use a standard heat gun to allow the heat shrink to go across the connection from the upper termination to the ISO NV cable. And that is the job completed.